Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on mobile using a keyboard and mouse. Mobile devices typically do not offer native support for these peripherals, so a specialized adapter is essential. This adapter acts as a bridge, allowing your keyboard and mouse to connect to your phone. Before purchasing, always confirm your mobile device supports USB on the go or OTG functionality for seamless compatibility. This is the crucial first step. When selecting an adapter, look for one specifically marketed for mobile gaming with keyboard and mouse support. These adapters often feature several USB ports, allowing you to connect both your keyboard and mouse at the same time. A critical factor is low latency. This ensures your in-game actions are responsive and fluid, providing a much better gaming experience. Investing in a quality adapter makes a significant difference. Setting up your peripherals is straightforward. First, connect your keyboard and mouse into the designated USB ports on your mobile adapter. Next, plug the adapter's main connector into your mobile device's charging port. This is usually a USB-C or micro USB port. Once connected, simply launch the Roblox application. The game is designed to automatically detect and utilize your connected keyboard and mouse, allowing you to start playing immediately. To truly optimize your gameplay, take time to adjust the in-game sensitivity settings within Roblox. Fine-tuning this will help your mouse movements feel natural and precise. It is also highly recommended to practice your movement and actions in a private server. This allows you to get accustomed to the new keyboard and mouse controls without pressure. Finally, always ensure your device has ample battery life or is charging for uninterrupted fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.